constitution makers were a smart lot. They were people, those who were erudite, people, those who had great knowledge of law. Many of them were advocates themselves. If they have framed a constitution with such due diligence, why would they not mention a procedure for the amendment of the constitution in the a procedure for the amendment of the fundamental rights in the constitution itself? His point of view was that fundamental rights are called fundamental. They are called basic because they should not be amended. Otherwise, what is the purpose of fundamental rights? His point of view was that अगर fundamental rights को parliament के through amendable ही बनाना था तो constitution ही क्यों लिखा है? See, ultimately, why was constitution written? If you go back to our first class, to limit the powers of the state. From the excesses of the state, you wanted to protect the citizen. You wanted to protect the citizens from the excesses of the state. That is why you wrote the fundamental rights. That is why you wrote the constitution. तभी तो आपने rights constitution में include किए, legislature के हाथ में नहीं छोड़े. अगर fundamental rights को भी पार्लियामेंट अमेंड कर सकती है तो फिर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और फंडामेंटल राइट्स का कोई पर्पस ही नहीं है. बिकॉज टुडे दे आर डाइल्यूटिंग राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी बाय मेकिंग अमेंडमेंट्स थ्रू आर्टिकल 31A and 31B and or by diluting it through 31A and 31B. Tomorrow they will dilute right to life, then they will dilute right to freedom, they will dilute right to freedom of religion, they will dilute right to equality, they will dilute every right. Then why did you have the constitution?